Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Now that you've learned how to find the leaks, let's dive into how to fix them and prevent future ones. Whether you're dealing with small gaps or major repairs, we've got you covered. Let's get into it. When to call a professional. Some air leaks are complex and require professional help. Consider calling a mechanic or HVAC technician if you have leaks in hard-to-reach areas, inside walls, behind the dash. Ongoing issues that persist after repairs. Widespread airflow issues affecting the entire cabin. Professionals have advanced tools like duct pressure testers and camera systems that can quickly find hidden leaks. Preventing future air system leaks. Once you've repaired any leaks, regular maintenance can help keep your system efficient and reduce the risk of future problems. Regular inspections. Inspect your air system at least once or twice a year. Check ducts, seals, and hoses for wear, and look for signs of leaks around the compressor, vents, and cabin. Upgrading seals and insulation. Ensure your truck's air system seals are high quality and in good condition. Upgrade any old, cracked seals or gaskets to prevent air loss. Insulate your ducts and hoses to maintain air pressure and efficiency. Conclusion. Air system leaks can quietly drain your truck's fuel economy and lead to higher operational costs. But with the right tools and a methodical approach, you can locate and fix these leaks, saving money and improving your truck's efficiency. Check your air system for leaks this weekend. It might just be the easiest and most cost-effective way to lower fuel costs and keep your truck running smoothly. If the job feels beyond your skill level, don't hesitate to call a professional. Proper maintenance today can save you from costly repairs tomorrow. 1. How to find and fix air system leaks to lower energy bills. Your energy bills keep climbing, but your home never feels quite comfortable. Chances are, air leaks in your HVAC system are to blame. These hidden gaps waste energy, raise costs, and strain your equipment. Finding and sealing these leaks isn't as hard as you might think. With a few basic tools, like an incense stick or thermal camera, you can track down problem spots. Fixing them saves money and improves comfort fast. Let's walk through the simple steps to get your system running efficiently again. Signs of air system leaks. Spotting air leaks early keeps your HVAC system efficient and your home comfortable. Ignoring them leads to higher bills and uneven temperatures. Here's how to tell if your system is leaking before small problems turn into costly ones. Unusual hissing or whistling sounds. Escaping air often makes a faint hissing or whistling noise, like a slow leak in a tire. Listen near duct joints, vents, or around the air handler. These sounds are easiest to hear when the system is running at full power. If you catch them, you've likely found a leak. Inconsistent room temperatures. Do some rooms feel like a fridge while others are too warm? Leaky ducts can't distribute air evenly, leaving certain areas poorly conditioned. Check for drastic temperature differences between rooms, especially those farthest from the HVAC unit. If one spot never seems right, leaks could be the culprit. Spike in energy bills. If your bills jump without a clear reason, like extreme weather or extra usage, leaks might be wasting energy. Your system works harder to compensate for lost air, driving up costs. Compare seasonal bills. A sudden increase often points to inefficiencies in your ducts or vents. Tools needed for detecting leaks. Locating air leaks requires the right tools. Smoke pencils, ultrasonic detectors, and soap solutions help pinpoint gaps with precision. Each method works best in different situations, so choose based on your system and the leaks you suspect. Smoke pencils and their usage. Smoke pencils create a thin stream of harmless smoke that moves with air currents. Hold one near duct seams, vents, or fittings. If the smoke wavers or gets sucked into a gap, you've found a leak. These tools excel in tight spaces where visual confirmation is critical, like behind walls or near connections. Key benefits. Instant visual feedback. No need for power or calibration. Safe for use around electrical components. Ultrasonic leak detectors. Escaping air generates high-frequency sounds undetectable to human ears. Ultrasonic leak detectors pick up these noises and translate them into audible signals or visual cues. Walk slowly along ducts while listening for spikes in sound. The louder the signal, the bigger the leak. Why they work well. Pinpoint leaks without disassembling ducts. Effective in noisy environments. Some models measure leak severity for prioritization. DIY soap solution test. For a low-tech option, mix dish soap with water in a spray bottle. Apply it to duct joints, seals, or suspicious areas while the system runs. Bubbles form where air escapes, marking leaks clearly. This method is ideal for accessible spots like exposed ducts or around vents. Steps. Mix soap with water. Spray lightly over potential leak points. Watch for bubbling, it's that simple. Pro tip. Use a flashlight to spot tiny bubbles in dim areas. This trick helps catch minor leaks before they grow. Step-by-step guide to locating leaks. Now that you know the signs of air leaks and have the right tools handy, it's time to track them down. Air leaks hide in predictable spots, ductwork joints, vents, and connections, so a methodical approach saves time. Follow these steps to find leaks before they drain your wallet. Inspecting ductwork and joints. Ducts are the highways of your HVAC system, and leaks often happen where sections connect. Start by examining seams and joints. Look for gaps where duct pieces join. Over time, tape or sealant can shrink or peel away. Bends and elbows. Sharp angles in ducts create weak spots. Check for cracks or loose fittings. Splits and branches. Leaks love to form where ducts divide toward different rooms. Press a hand near these spots. If you feel air, you found a problem. Pro tip. Shine a flashlight along duct surfaces. Dust trails near gaps can reveal hidden leaks. Checking registers and vents. Registers and vents are common leak sources, especially if they weren't sealed properly during installation. Here's how to test them. Remove the vent cover and inspect the gap between the duct and the wall or floor. Run your hand around the edges while the system is on. Feeling airflow? That's wasted energy. Look for discoloration or dust streaks near vents. These are telltale signs of escaping air. If you find gaps, foil tape or mastic sealant can block leaks in minutes. We've covered the basics of finding and fixing air system leaks, but stay tuned for part 2, where we'll go deeper into more advanced tips to improve your home's energy efficiency. See you soon. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.